Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So, there's a misconception about work ethic that causes a lot of people not to find success. Okay? So, for some reason, people think that you either work harder or you work smarter, which, both have their place, but if you have one on an island, you're never going to be able to actually get the success, okay? The reason why hard work, taking a shovel and digging down trying to find gold versus working smarter, taking a metal detector, finding an area that you know has gold, and then start digging. Actually, no. That's even incorrect. Taking a shovel and digging wherever you want to go find gold, because you're just going to dig until you find it, versus having a metal detector tell you there's metal underneath, and then not having a shovel to actually go dig it out. That's what I'm talking about. That is the dichotomy that I am seeing in the market today, where you need both. First, you need to be able to go smart, so my strategy has to be correct. I have to be able to go take my metal detector. Okay, this area has gold. Okay, now I gotta go get my shovel and I'm gonna go work as hard as I possibly can at this correct path because I know there's gold underneath there until I go and receive the gold. Okay? Incredibly important. If you don't have both, you're not going to make it. And that's why most people don't. Because they get caught up in one or the other. You need to be both. Okay? If you want to learn how to actually get the strategy part and learn what to actually work hard on, I recommend you check out the link in the description below. It's a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.